Okay, this is the second ABP evaluation by Nicole Rachel, José Luis Valderas, and Rogelio Reynoso. What we know that probably in other planets there is no water, there are different temperatures because they are closer or further to the sun. There is no oxygen, there is different gravity force, there is different pressure, there is different atmosphere. So the objective of this presentation is find out if it's possible for the liquid state of water to exist in another planet and apply and understand the concepts of the state of water.
So what we find out after we did our investigation through the scientific method is that, first of all, triple point needs a temperature of 0.01 Celsius to occur, along with a pressure of 611.73 pascals. Well, the temperature obviously is going to depend in the distance between a planet and the sun. We know that Earth is the one that has the appropriate temperature for living organisms to exist. Gravity also depends on the mass of a planet. Depending on this mass of the planet, the water molecules are going to be lighter and they are going to easily disappear out into the space. So the Earth is the one that has the perfect mass to keep water molecules from escaping. Something else that we find out is that the Earth inclination, or well, the inclination of any planet, also makes like an important impact in the distribution of water molecules. So Earth is the one that has a perfect inclination for the distribution and expansion of the water molecules all around the surface. So here we have a table with the planetary atmospheres. We have some planets like Mercury, Venus, and Mars comparing to Earth. So as you can see, the gravity levels are really different from the ones in Earth. Usually they are lower. About the pressure, well, the pressure in Mercury and Venus and most of the planets are like super high, and Mars is the one that is the closest to the pressure of the Earth. The average temperatures are really high or really low. This is like super extreme, and the only one that has like an average temperature that is like balanced is the Earth with 15 Celsius. And well, so we have here some of the compounds we can find in these planets. And well, the only one that actually has H2O is Earth. And the other ones doesn't even have oxygen besides Mercury.
Okay, in this map that we made, well, the Popocatépetl on Earth. Triple point occurs with a temperature of 0.01 Celsius degrees and with a pressure of 611.73 pascals. In other planets, as my partner said, it's too hot or too cold, and pressure is usually too high. And another problem is that the liquid state may become a gas or in a solid. So in conclusion, the conditions in other planets may difficult the existence of triple point or liquid state. Then, in the conclusion, in the most of the planets there are volcanoes, but they don't necessarily create a triple point. And not all the planets have the optimal conditions for water to exist or to stay in liquid state.
And show our references. Here they are. Now, well, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention.